Hello, my name is Nakia, and I'm with Divine Elements of Design in the Decorator's Voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist, and welcome to week 3 of the weekly declutter challenge. This week, we are decluttering our pens, keys, and pencils. Yes, if you're like me, you probably have a ton of pencils and keys that you have no idea where to go to. So let's go ahead and declutter them. First, let's get them all together. Like, go through where you normally keep your pens, pencils, and keys and take them all out. I'm sure you probably have them in like some junk drawer or something, or some vase or just something. So just go ahead and get all of those keys out and actually go through and try to unlock doors and see if those keys work on anything. When I did it the last time, I was just so surprised because I'm in a smart home, so we don't even have keys. Well, we do. We actually do have 2 keys. But all of those other keys, I have no idea where they were for. So I just got rid of those keys. So that's something that you may want to do. I mean, I had keys to cars that we no longer had keys, just random keys. I'm sure it's like that with you too. So go ahead and get rid of, or go ahead and properly dispose of those keys. Now, there are actually things that you can do with old keys. I remember I read a blog post about it not too long ago. Well, actually, it was long ago. But I will leave that in the comment section below. Things that you can do with your old keys. And now, your pencils and pens. For some reason, I was hoarding pens. I would just have pens and I would hoard them. And I would even hoard like new pens, like an old pack of pens from like 20 years ago. I'm like, why do I have this? So go through, get those old pens, and if they do not work, throw them in the trash. Or donate them, but recycle them, or whatever you're supposed to do with pens, but do not keep them in your home, because there's one thing I do not like is I'm getting ready to write something and I need a really good pen. It's pick up pen and it doesn't work. Now, I actually have a few favorite pens, and what I did was got rid of all those pens, the bad pens, and then just started using my favorite pen. I love the Pilot 2 pen or the Sharpie pen. Oh my God, those are like the bee's knees. So go through and do those. Now, I do have children that are still school age, so we do keep pencils. But if your pencil is down to like the nub and you have a lot of pencils, go ahead and get rid of those pencils. If the erasers are like no longer good enough to use and the pencil is bad, just get rid of it if you have pens that you can use. Now, if you have a lot of pencils and pens and you don't want to just donate, you don't want to get rid of them, you can actually donate them. Like, restaurants will love pens because they have so many pens that they have a need for pens. They don't have enough. So if you're interested in joining the declutter challenge, this is just week 3 and we have like so many more weeks to go. We actually have like 49 more weeks to go in 2025. So all you have to do is make a conscious effort and then go over to Instagram or the website and just see the list of all the different things in the declutter challenge. And it's easy, just make a conscious effort. If you're interested, I will leave the link to the Facebook group and the Instagram in the comment section below, or the description box below. Well, thank you very much. Please give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and have a divine day. Goodbye.